We're at the IKEA store, and Brandon is doing great. You just love to sit, huh? Brandon, what you doing? Wait on us, Nookie.
My thing is the table.
You say your senior dinner set here, huh?
No, I just know it's right here. I'm like, cool. You can read.
Come on, we're going this way. You'll come this way, Brian, with us? I know. That's cute. Wow, that's really different. Wow, really white, huh? And black and white. That kind of drive me a little. Right. Right.
I like the marble look.
That's nice.
First place I'm hitting up is IKEA, then go to get you some water.
Oh, catch my thing, Brant. Brand to the. Oh yeah, you going the right way.
Yeah, follow the arrow.
This is. Oh, you found the arrows to know where you I see. Wow, this is awesome.
Right. Can you imagine when we first came, we were like that, like, you know, wow.
It's just amazing.
Mhm. I like whoever did the color. I like the color schemes.
Oh, you like that one?
No, it's like different. You know, something you haven't seen. Oh yeah, that's tight. Brand, let's go see this one.
Over here.
Let's go see this house.
See this kitchen.
375 square feet. Wow, that's pretty good. Let's check this kitchen out. This room out.
Wait up, this living is 375 square feet?
Yeah, meaning you live in here. Look at the glass cabinet. Oh, I really do like this one, Sean. It's nice. This is the color Belinda says she has greenish. I'm telling you, girl, I needed to video that so you could have seen it. It's beautiful. Y'all just made yourself at home, huh? Hi, Nookie Poo. Would you see how the white furniture leave? I don't see how people have white furniture. I guess it's for like adults or whatever, and it's probably easy to clean.
You were looking at that one.
What I like, they utilize all space everywhere. Look.
Yeah.
Wow, let's check this out, Brand.
Now that's neat. You might think about putting these over there.
You coming? You coming?
I actually like this for their room, or just for, you know what I mean? Because you can write what we need, do this today, or
Right. That's where would you put it?
in their room,
Oh, okay.
or I might put it in. I don't know. I should think about that.
Checking out. Oh goodness. Brand, what are you doing? Huh?
Look at this bathroom.
That's nice. I cannot believe that amount of space, all of this fits in there. And everything you need. Look at the drawer.
Right.
Yeah, I want to see the bedroom. Come on, let's go see the bedroom, Brand. Look how good he is. Stop this segment.